Bar glass rimmer. Made of food-safe ABS plastic, 3-tier black bar glass rimmer with sponge, ideal for margaritas, Bloody Marys and Gimlets etc. 3-tier glass rimming design, small and lightweight, 3-layer folding design is simple and saves space. In addition, in order to avoid cross-contamination of ingredients, 3 labels ensure that ingredients are easily identified and stored separately. Use in different occasions. Black color matches any decor and use in different occasions, a good choice for celebrate party, wedding reception, birthday, festival, dinner. Lime juice with sponge. Sponge covers the rim, gently press down on the cocktail glass to produce a perfect layer of juice to hold the salted or sugared rim. Easy to use. First you have to get an empty wine glass, and then use the rim of the wine glass to dip in the salt. Sugar and lime juice. Let's start. Create your unique drink. Strong point. 3-tier bar glass rimmer. Made of high-quality plastic. Used in many occasions. Easy to use and carry. Fold compartments for save space and storage. Follow the label on the tray to avoid cross-contamination. Top reviews from the United States. Easy to use. No need to wet your glass with lemon or lime around the rim. Just put your salt and sugar in the compartment and wet the sponge with either lemon or lime juice, or even water. Dip your glass in the sponge and then the sugar or salt. Want work on all plastic cups.